I looked in the mirror and thought my skin feels different than it used to. I felt that too, or rather I should say I feel that more often these days. Fine lines around my eyes, a little roughness, a texture under eyes that makeup doesn't quite smooth over. Hi everyone, I'm Neha. I'm originally from India, but I have been living abroad for almost over a decade now, hopping from one country to the other across continents. And in all these years, one thing I've learned that, of course, your skin changes, behaves differently in different climate and different geography, but also skincare isn't about chasing youth. It's about keeping your skin healthy, strong and resilient no matter your age. And today we are talking about how you can level up your skincare with ingredients that work with your aging skin in simple, practical ways that fit into our busy lives. It's not about chasing young, it's about our skin feeling like our own again. When we hit our 30s and beyond, our skin naturally changes. Slower cell turnover, loss of collagen and more dryness. And if you're somebody who is juggling family, work, kids, and a life abroad, 10-step skincare routine might sound like a lot. I know I like doing it and I do it all the time. Maybe not 10 steps, but I do multi-step skincare routine most of the time. But I also know not everybody has the time or the energy to invest into skincare like I do. So we need smart, multitasking products that actually do the work. And that's where these key ingredients come in. Let's break them down. Antioxidants like vitamin C are like your skin's shield. They fight pollution, sun damage and free radicals. Results: brighter skin, fewer dark spots and stronger skin health. If you're new to vitamin C, start with a gentle formulation that has 10 to 15% of vitamin C. Use it a few times a week and build up from there. Now talking about the friends of vitamin C, there is a new ingredient in the market called melasil, which as of today isn't that popular, but from the research it looks quite promising. So you can go for products either with vitamin C or with melasil. Some product recommendations that I can make based on my own personal experience. Banish Vitamin C Serum. It's formulated with vitamin C, with ferulic acid and vitamin E. It's formulated with glycerin. Use a very small amount. It's super hydrating, effective, and you will see the difference immediately. Another vitamin C product from Banish is their Vitamin C Moisturizer. It is lightweight yet nourishing, pairs beautifully with the serum. It's a multitasker. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, go with Garnier Vitamin C Serum. It's accessible, beginner-friendly, and gives a nice glow. Melasil-based L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Serum. It's affordable and effective, especially for dullness and dark spots. Retinoids. Now this one is big. Retinol and retinol help boost cell turnover and collagen, meaning smoother texture, firmer skin and firmer skin over time. I know they can feel intimidating, but here is my advice. Start slow. Use a low strength formula 2 to 3 nights a week and always follow with a moisturizer, and yes, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Coming to retinoids product recommendation, for beginners, go for something gentle. Look for formulas that are primarily bakuchiol based. It's a plant-based alternative to retinol, perfect for sensitive skin or first-time users. Firm Retinol Bakuchiol Serum. It's beautiful, feels luxurious and quite gentle for everyday use. By Vishrin Vitamin Amazing Bakuchiol Night Cream. Again, it's a nourishing, gentle formula for skin renewal. Another great option is the Ioke Retinol Bounce Serum. It's a little pricey but very gentle and beginner friendly. Another great option is the Niplus Fab Spot Treatment. It's effective, accessible and suitable for gradually building tolerance. Another great retinol option is from Banish, which is formulated with ceramides. It's beginner friendly and a multitasker. Now sometimes our skin looks dull because of the dead skin buildup, and that's where gentle chemical exfoliants can help, like AHA and BHA. They smooth the texture and make your skincare products work better. Start with once a week and only increase when you see your skin can actually tolerate it. A great option is the ordinary AHA and BHA peel. It's a cult favorite. If you've never used it, do a patch test and use once a week for smoother texture. You can also go for cleansing oils with acids, like this one is from Ilion. It's formulated with salicylic and glycolic acid to remove dead skin buildup while you cleanse. There are also toners that come with exfoliating benefits. Like this one by Vishrin, it's their mandelic acid gentle exfoliating toner. Although I feel it's not that gentle, it does sting a little bit, but it's great to use maybe just once a week or maybe 2 based on your skin's tolerance. Now ceramides and peptides. And while we are working on the surface, we also need to rebuild our skin barrier, and that's where ceramides and peptides come in. Ceramides keep your skin hydrated and calm, while peptides supports collagen production. Look for them them in your nighttime moisturizer. You know, they're like food for your skin. Top recommendations from what I have used is the Ilion Ceramide A2 Concentrate Cream and the Ilion Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel. They're great, soothing, rich and replenishing. Now, I cannot talk about anti-aging without talking about sunscreen. Honestly, if there is one product that does the most to prevent fine lines, wrinkles on your face, it's sunscreen. And if you're using retinol, vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, using sunscreen becomes even more important, even indoors, even when it's cloudy. I personally use physical sunscreen. This is a recent shift that I've made, and you can choose whatever suits your skin type. Just make sure it's broad spectrum, SPF 30 or higher, and something you will actually enjoy using every single day. Now, how to put all of this together? You actually do not need to use all of these at once. Here is a simple anti-aging routine to get started. In the morning, use a gentle skin cleanser, then use a vitamin C, then a moisturizer, and then a sunscreen. For nighttime, double cleanse. Then use a retinol. If you're using a retinol, use it only 2 to 3 times a week. Top it up with moisturizer with ceramides or peptides. And for the exfoliation, the AHA, BHA peel, you can only use once a week. And that's it. No complicated skincare routine, just targeted, smart skincare. So my friends, anti-aging isn't about chasing youth, isn't about chasing your 20-year-old skin. It means supporting the skin you're in right now, so it stays healthy, hydrated, and glowing for the years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.